Hello my friends, hope all you doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 263 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. It is Carnival season, so it's time to take a trip to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Brazilian treat called Brigaderio, which is Portuguese for chocolate bonbons. And these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, rich, decadent, chocolatey, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make, and it's only called for 5 ingredients. And then we're going to put some chocolate sprinkles on them. And these would be great for any celebration. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Brazilian playlist for more delicious, mouth-watering Brazilian recipes. So grab your cocoa powder and your sweetened condensed milk sugar, because we're about to make some Brigaderio magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my medium saucepan, I got the fire over medium heat. I have one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Going to give that a quick stir, and we're going to let this cook for 10 minutes until it's thickened. Alright my friends, the chocolate's nice and thick. Smells good and chocolatey. Alright, that was great. So next, for the final ingredients, we're going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a teaspoon of chocolate extract. Going to stir those together until they're nice and well combined. Alright my friends, now we're going to pour the chocolate mixture onto a plate. Now we're going to let this cool. Alright my friends, our chocolate's nice and cool. Now we're ready to form it into balls. So using my spoon, we're just going to take a little like this and just put them on the pan with wax paper, or you can use parchment paper. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through rolling up my Brigaderios. So now we're going to take one. We're going to roll them into the chocolate sprinkles. Like so. We're going to put them in the muffin cups. Just like that. Alright my friends, now we're going to place them in the refrigerator and we're going to let them chill until firm. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Brigaderio chocolate bonbons. It's nice and firm. Doesn't that look good? Look at the chocolate sprinkles on them. And now, it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. So chewy, bursting with chocolate goodness. These treats are awesome. Please give this recipe a try. Y'all enjoy these. Brigaderio-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and happy Carnival!